So in this video I'm going to show you how I made even more coins in FIFA Mobile 23 while selling 999 plus Team of the Year players right now. And I'm going to show you an easy way you can go and make coins as well. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. So I've got almost 320 million coins right now. I got most of these coins by selling my high overall Team of the Year players, even though they go like 999 plus listings. I still sold some of them. I still sold most of them, not some of them, most of them. And today I'm gonna show you some more proof that I sold more players. So basically, a lot of you don't really understand how it works, because some of you are saying that you never sold any of your players or something like that, but you can actually sell those TLDR players. Even though they've got 999 plus listings, you can go ahead and sell them. All you need to pretty much do is go ahead and list them on the market and forget about it for a week. And as you can see right here, I managed to sell two more of my players. Those are 106 overall Bellingham and 105 overall Gerrard. Both of them have got 999 plus listings. If you go ahead and look at it in the market, pretty much every single 108 or lower overall players have got 999 plus listings. So obviously here's the proof, but you probably all knew that he was gonna have that anyways. Bam, I managed to sell those two cards. And what you also need to do is whenever they go ahead and expire after a week, you should not worry about that. Like, some of your cards are gonna sell, some of them are not gonna sell. All you need to do is just release them. So for example, Odegaard did not sell for the last week when I went ahead and listed him. I'm not gonna do anything about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and release it. As you can see, I'm gonna go and sell again, and I'm gonna wait for another week, and he might sell again, he might not, but if he doesn't sell again, I'm gonna go and release him once again. This card, Gerrard, did not sell for the first 2 weeks, I believe, when I tried to sell him. But this week, as you can see, I managed to sell him for 11 million coins, even though he still had 999 plus listings. Now, I also packed some new players, some new TMDR players. In the last couple of weeks, of course, in the last couple of days, sorry, I packed Rodish, so I'm gonna go ahead and list him as well. Even though he has got 999 plus listings, I can't do it actually right now. I need to claim those coins. Here we go. I'm gonna claim 22 more million coins. That's a lot of coins, right? That's a lot of coins for literally doing nothing. And as I said, I'm gonna go ahead and release them. I obviously listed some 103 overall cards. Obviously, 103 overalls, it's a lot harder to sell those overall cards. It's a lot easier to sell 105 and above overall Team of the Year cards, but I didn't have any cards that were from 106 to 108 anymore. So I went ahead and listed 103s as well. And I'm gonna see if they sell. If they sell, that's good. If they don't sell, that's not that big of a problem. I'm gonna release them and pretty much go with there. Anyways, I claimed 22 more million coins, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and list Rodri, and I'm gonna list Tomori as well. Why not? I've got Unahi there as well. I need to list Unahi as well. That's definitely for sure. He's got almost 700 listings. I'm gonna take out one of these cards. I've got a couple of Gakpos and Chouamani's. I'm gonna take out one of the Gakpo, I think, and list Unahi, because I'm pretty sure Unahi is gonna sell this week. We'll see though. We'll see. 26 million coins. If he sells, that's gonna be pretty good for me. And as I said, that's all you need to do. List them and forget about them for the next week. If they sell in the next week, that's gonna be good. If they don't sell, they're gonna expire, and you can go ahead and release them after that. You don't need to do anything else. You're just gonna make more coins with that. As you can see, I've got 340 mil. As I said, I had like 50, 60 mil, I believe, a couple of weeks ago. I spent a lot of coins doing Team of the Year exchanges because I wanted to do Ultimate Team of the Year exchanges, Ultimate Team of the Year milestones, and claim those Ultimate Team of the Year milestones as soon as possible. So I spent a lot of coins to buy the players for the exchange, and I only had like 60 million coins left, I think. So, and I had a lot of Team of the Year cards. Like, I had 108s, 107s, 106s, a lot of them, 105s as well. And as you can see, I don't have any more of them right now. I've got Griezmann, of course, that I'm trying to sell the Ultimate Team of the Team Tournament card, and Bruno Fernandes as well. Hopefully they're gonna sell, but I got one Harry Kane and a couple of 106 overalls and a couple of 105s, as you can see, that I'm still trying to sell, but most of them I managed to sell. And some of you still don't believe that you can actually sell those cards, and you're not even listing probably. So all I'm gonna say is just make sure to list those cards. That's all you need to do. Other than that, market is very, very bad. You can't make coins any other way right now. Like you can't sell players any other way, or every single 108 overall and less cards have got 999 plus listings pretty much. So you can't do much else really with that. Now to end this video, I think I'm gonna go ahead and play 2 skill games and the worst attack in the honorable mention section to open this pack, because I haven't opened any of them yet. I've got 0 points. I went ahead and got 100 honorable point just to open this exchange or do this exchange. Unfortunately, I got Nahi, as you saw, so not really that lucky. I didn't really get that lucky from that, but I'm gonna play these 2 skill games and this worst attack as well, and gonna get 20 points to open that pack, because as I said, I haven't opened any of them packs yet, and I'm not even playing that this game regularly. So yeah, not even regularly. I most of the times I don't even log into the game. But let's go ahead and do it today, and let's see if I'm gonna get lucky with my first ever honorable mentions pack. I think that is right. Mbappe, we're gonna score 1 more goal, and after that all we need to do is play a versus attack match. And obviously I'm gonna lower my team because I'm gonna play against a weaker opponent. I think my team is already lowered, right? I think I've got 106 overall team already. I'm gonna double check that. We're gonna get 10 honorable points right now, and the next easiest way to get 10 points is from versus attack. This is gonna take, the AI match is gonna take more time, I think, and the match against in head-to-head is gonna take even more time. So I've got 106 overall team. I'm gonna go ahead and play this versus attack match. Probably gonna win it easily. We are playing against a guy who's got 260,000 fans in versus attack. So I do back myself on this one. I do back myself. The kits are still very, very similar though. I don't know why EA haven't changed that. Like, look at those kits. They are incredibly similar. Anyways, they are similar for my opponent as well. So I guess that's not that big of a problem. Right, Mbappe is gonna score the first chance. Let's go ahead and get a good 2 or 3 goal lead to start off, to just guarantee ourselves that we're gonna win. My opponent is scoring though. So maybe it's not gonna be as easy as I thought. It's gonna be 3-3 right now. It is. You're gonna pass this ball to Mbappe. Mbappe is gonna score 4-3. Is he gonna score as well? Nope, he's not. That's when he missed a chance, which means that's when I'm gonna take 2 goal lead. But I only missed 1 chance. That is still not bad. Right, we've got 10 honorable points now. Arabi won the league as well. That's good to know. Bam, 10 honorable points, which means I can go ahead and open that pack. Right, this is only a 100 plus overall pack, where we can pack one of the 112, 111, 110 or 109 overall honorable mention players. So there is a chance. Give me a walkout first. We did not even get a walkout. Well, that was terrible. But let's see if I can open this exchange pack as well. I think I can, Yeah, I can. I'm gonna do it then. This is 101 plus overall player pack. So this is a little bit better pack. Hopefully we're gonna end it on a walkout. Still no walkout. 102 overall. Fofana, Seiko Fofana. Unfortunate that was bad. That was quite bad. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.